Traitor.
Daddy!
Hey! Oh, you scared me! Yeah! Smile, J.R. Smile. Look at my
Can I get an hour? Would you jump if the dog next door... I didn't even... Dude, wait.
Big, happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy.
Ay, mami. Hilya.
I just got home from working all day, and this is what you want me to do. You want me to just rub your belly and love on you.
This. Did you do it? Who did that?
Are you trying to get it in your kennel?
Ai cửa Bên rồi.
I can tell the Teletubbies Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking.
Clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
I'm tired.
Well, I guess we can't go to the park then.
Okay, I'm not tired anymore.
Wrong.
What's happening? Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody!
Difference between a purebred dog and an inbred dog. This is a purebred dog, and this is an inbred dog.
When you have a husky and it's 85 degrees outside, say hi world. I'm Nugget and I love my ice pool.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
When I was in the 3rd grade, people treated me like a grandma.
Well, here we go, my friend. Well, I get down, right around, little around, and I get down, right around, little around, get down, right around, little around, and I get down, right around. Look at
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little floof stutter, see his little mittens.
Hold that little Pomeranian. I said, I squat when I pee. So what? You look like a cat that sat on a leaf blower, but I don't talk.
Gentlemen, look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
I'm about to give you a treat, yeah, and you don't gotta do no tricks. That one's just for exist.
Go. I didn't even finish the sentence. You want.
Come on, Philly.
Come here. Come here.
It's super cute. It's so cute. Swim, Yoda!
You wanna buy?
Get that balloon. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Dude, what are you doing? This is not your. I just cleaned it. Look how clean it is.
Let's go.
What in the world?
Poor thing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cannot believe you did that. Casper.
And the water.
Oh, girl. Okay, that wasn't how.